In this video, we'll show how you can use an auto-suggest control type in in-place editing in a list control. So you can see we have a list control here that allows in-place editing. And when we open up the row for edit mode, when we get to the country field, what we'd like to do is have the user pick from a pick list. So we can define an auto-suggest field over here. So let's go here and start typing. We'll type in, let's go to the city field. And we'll type in, say, L. And here are all the choices of the cities that start with L. But as you can see, some of the cities here are not cities that are in Germany. So what we'd actually like to do is create a dynamic filter for this auto-suggest so that only cities in Germany are shown. So let's go back now and take a look at how the auto-suggest was set up in the first place and how we can add dynamic filtering. So we'll go back into design mode. We'll open up the list, we'll go to fields, we'll go to the city field, and we can see here that for the city field we've defined control settings. So here are our auto-suggest settings for the city field. We've said that there's a database query, that the connection string is Northwind, the table is customers, the field is city. We're basically searching for cities that start with whatever the user types in. We could also basically have our auto-suggest do contains or contains case insensitive. And then you can see we don't currently have any filter defined. So right now when we run our auto-suggest, we're going to get a list of all of the cities in the customer table that start with whatever character I type. So if I go there and I type in, say, B, then there are all the cities that start with B. So let's go now and add in a dynamic filter. So we'll go back here to fields, go to city, go to the control settings, and now we're going to go here and turn on the dynamic filter. And the dynamic filter is going to be basically only show records where the country is equal to the value of the country in the row that I'm just currently editing. So I'll go there and say country, and that's basically going to be a character value. So there's our dynamic filter over there. So we'll go ahead and click OK, OK, and then we'll switch back to run mode now. So now when I go into edit mode and I go to the city and I type in a B, you can see we only get cities that are in Germany. If I were to go over here to this country and type in, say, US, or let's type in UK, and then go there and type something that starts with an L, you can see we get London. So we can easily add dynamic filtering to the auto-suggest. Thanks very much for watching.